Hi guys, and welcome to this video on C coding. In this video we will be learning about assignment operators and we will be doing a practice task on operators. So let's begin. And before jumping straight into the code, let me explain you the concept of compound assignment first. As you can see here, we have two variables, variable A and B. We have assigned value of 5 to variable A and 2 to variable B. And this is the compound assignment, A plus equal B. After performing this compound assignment operation, we have the same value for the variable b, and a plus equal b is 7. As we know, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. But the difference is for the variable a, which has some different value. And this is because of the compound assignment. Because it performs an operation on the variable and updates its value back to the same variable, which means that the value of the variable on the left side will get updated. Now let me explain you the same thing in code. So after creating the file, I am here writing the title of the code, which is assignment operators. And now let's write the code. Here I am including the stdio library first, and here I am writing the main function, which is int main, and I am writing here return 0, which we use to write at the end of the code. And now let's write the variables first. So I am defining the variables a and variable b. Value of variable a is I am supposing as 5 and value of b is 2. And here I am writing the comment variable definition. Now before assigning any further value to variable a and b, let's print the value of variable a first. So here I am writing the value of variable a before any further assignment is %d, and here I am calling it as comma a. We know that the value of a is 5. Let's run this code, and as you can see in the terminal, the value of a is 5. Now the question is, if we add the value of variable a and b and then print the value of a separately, what would be the effect? Let's do that. So here I am writing %d and I'm going to add a with b. And now let's print the value of a here. So what would be the value of a? Will it be changed or will it be remaining 5? Let's see that. So I'm writing here the value of variable a after assignment is %d, comma a. Now let's run this code. Here we are very much concerned with the very third line. And in the terminal, if we see the third line, it is 5. The value of a remains the same in case we write a plus b. But what if I write here a plus equal to b rather than a plus b? So let's do that. So I'm writing here a plus equal to b. And now let's run this code. And as you can see, the value of a is updated to 7 now. So this is actually an assignment operator. Let's change plus to minus, and as you can see again, the value of a is updated from 5 to 3 now. So basically it is called as assignment operator. It will perform any arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication or modulus. The assignment operator will do that operation and then it will also update the value to the variable as well. So that's all on operators. Now let's do a practice task on operators. And here on the very first line, I'm going to write the title for this code, which is practice task on assignment operators. Although we have learned many different operators, I will provide the link in description if you want to learn those. So here I am importing the library first, which is hash include stdio.h, and then this is int main, which is the main function. And here we use to write return 0 at the end of the code. And since we always define the variables first, so I am defining the variable x is equal to 5. I'm defining a second variable and the value I'm assigning is 3, and then I'm defining a third variable which is z, and I'm assigning value of 4 to it. So since all of these are variable definitions, so I am here writing the comment on top of it, variables. And now I'm going to write an equation. Although we know the value of x, we have defined 5. But let's write this equation, x is equal to x plus plus, which is post increment operator, plus plus y, which is pre-increment operator, multiply by z minus minus, which is basically post decrement. So after these addition, subtraction and multiplication, the value of x will be updated. Let's solve this equation here in this comment. As we know that the value of x is 5, so after x plus plus, the value here remains the same because this is post increment, and on this specific line the value will remain same. As far as plus y is concerned, this is a pre-increment, so the value will be updated from 3 to 4. And z, since this is post decrement, so the value on this line will remain same. If you want to learn about pre or post increment or decrements, I will provide the link in description. You can watch that video and learn that. And now I'm going to simplify it. 5 plus 4, and it will multiply by z, and z has the value 4. And if we further simplify it, 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16, and if we add 5 it will be 21. So the value of x will be 21 here, and now let's print it in order to verify that the value of x is percent %d comma x. And now let's print this value. Let's run this code, and as you can see the value is 21. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.